this blend that I called adios means goodbye, but goodbye is, the tradition is God be with you.
God be with you.
And knowing that the universe is, God is in everything, God is everywhere. There is not one God. And I think the Shinto are right in saying this, because there is not just one individual that's there directing as a hierarchy. It's not a hierarchy, it's the unity. Everything is united together, and everything is part of the divine, no separation. And by putting this oil on me, I connect with the my higher self, my trust. So I feel like I just put a few drops in my hand, and I put it in my heart, and I say, yes, remember that you are part of the universe, you are part of the divine, and you are safe because you are doing this experiment of living on earth, but everything is in harmony, as everything is in divine order. There is nothing that can happen to me that is not in the divine harmony. This goes to the quantum, also physics, but the quantum is going to the smallest part, but we can also go to the largest part, and both of them are different aspects of the one, of the reality, and understanding the truth of this reality, which is the harmony that makes it, all this energy, like making the reality what that we experience. And we have to enjoy the present. Yeah, so I put like just one drop here. It's difficult to put one drop with this. I will still try here. So I put this here, and I wipe my two hands together to let the aroma develop with the heat of my hand. You see, it's very soft, very calming. It doesn't leave my hands greasy, because there is no fat in the essential oil. It's not an oil at all, it's just an aromatic. Then I smell it, and I fill my body and my soul, my spirit, my mind with trust. My body, my soul, my mind, my spirit, connected together in oneness. And I fill them with trust. So I reunite with myself and all my whole personality, all my soul, my body, my spirit, my mind come together to celebrate life and to acknowledge and to be thankful for the experience. Fill myself with gratitude for the past and trust for the future. Arigatou gozaimasu.